This strategy I'm about to share with you is one of the ways I get to make money online with affiliate marketing, and this will help you make your first $5,000 by doing affiliate marketing. You will get paid at least $100 for doing absolutely nothing, and the most interesting thing is that you aren't selling anything. This is a simple strategy that even a 10-year-old girl can do perfectly, and it doesn't require any special skills or tools. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Christine. On this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, passive income, online business, and I also recommend the best tools to make your life easy. And if you want to learn more about these things, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. All right, so what I'm going to show you guys in this video is how to promote a service. So the first thing I would do is head over to a site called empowered.com, formerly known as Personal Capital. And now you might ask, why personal capital? Well, this is because a lot of people are looking for ways to invest their savings and plan for their retirements, which is important, right? So Personal Capital offers wealth management tools to help users invest their savings and plan for their retirements. At the time of making this video, Personal Capital had more than $22.7 billion worth of assets under management, which is quite impressive. And the interesting thing is that Personal Capital actually has an affiliate program that actually pays you $100 for every single lead you refer to them. And they don't have to buy anything. All they have to do is sign up for a free financial dashboard. To get started with the Empower affiliate program, you will need to register with Flex Offers. So follow through on this link, scroll and register with Flex Offers to join. Once you become an affiliate for empower.com and have your affiliate link, you can start promoting this offer. Now, the question is, how do you even promote this service? Well, we'll turn to Google BARD for guidance to help suggest the best strategy to market this service. Now, here is the question for BARD. What are the best ways to promote Personal Capital affiliate program? And there you go. These all suggest strategies, and one strategy that stands out is writing articles and guest posts about investment. I'll go further and ask Google BARD, what are the best keyword searches for personal capital? And mind you, you can actually use ChatGPT for this too. Now it has given us some keywords, which shows it does know a lot about the company. I will also go ahead and ask it to generate topic ideas relating to personal capital offers. What latest headlines about savings, finance and retirement plans in relation to personalcapital.com services. I love these topics, and I think I will go with Personal Capital adds new features to help users save money and invest for retirement. The next step is to request an article based on the topic, and there you go. If you need Google BARD to continue writing, just type "please continue," and it will continue writing. You will also need to double check the article for relevancy. Now, there is one thing you must do before your article goes live. And this is really crucial because if you don't do this step and mess up right here, you will not make any money at all. This is super important. So head over to a site called quillbot.com. It's a paraphrasing tool that we can use to make the AI generated article more unique in the eyes of Google. But we aren't here to paraphrase because we used Google BARD. But one thing you can always do here is use the grammar check feature to check for any possible grammatical errors, and also use the plagiarism checker to be sure that there is no plagiarism, which I just did, and there were no issues found. So we are good to go. Now arrange your article on Google Docs for easy use. Early on, we got a suggestion on how to promote this offer, right? And content marketing is for us. Now, we need to publish our article, but sadly, we don't have a blog of our own, so we'll publish it on a free blogging website. Now head to medium.com. I really love medium.com because it is the most popular blogging platform and you can leverage its high domain authority. And there is every chance that Google will rank our article on its very first page, and that is how we are going to get free traffic to promote this offer. Here is Medium. You just click on the plus sign right there and start building out your article. Up here it says title. Now copy and paste the title that Google BARD generated for us. We'll use the title because that does have the main keyword, and that will increase our chance of being found on Google. Now copy your article from Google Docs and paste it here. Just press the enter button to make a paragraph. To avoid clustering, so what you can do is just insert your affiliate links every here and there throughout the whole article, or maybe at the end of the article, use a more clear call to action like visit the official website today. Or maybe you say something like, Get a free trial plan today, just for example, but don't spam with your links. Do it nicely. Another thing you should definitely do with every single article that you upload to Medium is to actually insert some images. To get images, just head over to a free site called pexels.com and just search for images like finance, retirement plans, and savings, for example. And then just find a couple of images that you like, and then just click on the download button for those pictures that you like and download them to your computer, and then just come back to Medium. And if you want to insert a picture, all you have to do is just click on the plus sign and choose the first image icon right there, and just choose the image to just download it from Pexels. The article will look so much better if we have at least 3, 4, or 5 images throughout the whole article. So now you have your affiliate links and some great images. It's time to publish. All you have to do is just come up right here and click on publish. Then you can add topics, which are basically tags. So you can use something like retirement plan, saving financial service, financial planning, retirement planning, saving personal finance, self-improvement, and stuff like that. Ensure you add at least 5 of those tags. Add a catchy description here for SEO purposes, and when you're ready, all you have to do is hit publish. So the key takeaway here is to get Google BARD to write you high-quality content. Use Quillbot to check for grammar errors and plagiarism, and publish the article on medium.com for easy ranking. But what if I told you that you could double your reach by publishing on press release websites like MarketWatch, APB, News and the like? Now, all you need to do is head over to Fiverr. It's a freelancer site that connects you with experts to help you carry out or accomplish a task. Just type in press release, and there you go. As you can see, there are different pay options here. With just $10, $20, you can get your article published and reach a wider and targeted audience. And just assume you get 5 signups per day. That's $500, so you will make roughly $14,000 in just 28 days. Think about it, that's a lot. So get to work, guys, and I will see you in my next video. But yeah, before you go, please hit the like button. If you found this video super helpful, and if you are going to take action, then smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification button so that you will be notified every time I drop a new video. Thank you and bye. Kisses.